which is going to be on solving equations with addition and subtraction. So let's look at some examples. So the equation is an expression combined together with equal sign. So we have x minus 10 equals 14. And we want to solve that equation. Okay? So to solve, we want to use opposite operations to get the variable letter, okay, the variable which is called the letter, by itself. Okay, so we have this example, x minus 10 equals 14. So first thing we're going to do is identify the variable. So the variable is the x here. We want to get that by itself. So what's with the x? Okay, the negative 10 is what's with the x. Okay, this negative 10 is what's with the x. I want to get rid of that. Okay, we're going to use opposite operations. So we have an x minus 10. The opposite of minus 10 is plus 10. So we're going to add 10 into both sides of the equation. We use the equal sign as the divider of the equation. So when we talk about both sides, we're going to add that 10 to both sides of our equation. If I do that, it'll cancel the 10 on the left side and leave with just x equals 24. Okay? Let's do another one. What if I have negative 6.2 plus x equals 15.5? So, same process. Identify the variable. Variable's right there. Okay, what's with the variable that we need to get rid of? This negative 6.2 is with the variable that we need to get rid of. Okay? Negative 6.2, that means I want to add 6.2. Again, equal signs my divider. Add 6.2 to both sides. That'll cancel 6.2 here. And if I add those together, I get 7, 11, carry the 1, 21.7. Okay? 21.7 will be my answer. Okay? Now, when you're adding or subtracting, whatever, use those same rules we talked about during Unit 2. Back at the beginning of Unit 2, when we talked about adding and subtracting integers. Same rules apply. The signs are the same. You add the numbers together. The signs are different. You're going to subtract the number, take the sign for the bigger number. Okay? Let's look at another one here. What if I had h plus 3.4 equals 8.5? Okay? So again, identify the variable, which is my h here. That means I got this plus 3.4 I want to get rid of. Okay? That's a plus 3.4. That means I want to subtract 3.4 to get rid of it on both sides of my equal sign. Cancels here. So we subtract 5 minus 1 is 4 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. I get a 5.1. Okay, 5.1. Okay, because I subtracted them because they had different signs. This was a positive 8.5 and negative 3.4. So I subtract them. The 8.5 is bigger. Take its sign. Okay, so get a couple more. All right, what if I had 5/6 equals y minus negative 7/3. No, 2/3. Sorry. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to rewrite this. I don't like the minus minus here, so I'm going to change that to a plus plus. Okay? I'm going to change the signs there to a plus plus. Now, identify our variable. Right there's the y. That means I need to get rid of this. It's a positive 2/3, which means we're going to subtract 2/3 from both sides. Okay? That cancels here. These are just y on that side. Now, when I combine these together, you're combining fractions. Remember, when I combine fractions together, I need to find a common denominator. In this case, common denominator would be 6. Means I need to change this to a 6. If I multiply or change this to a 6, that means I'm multiplying this by 2, which means the top needs to get multiplied by 2, which would be a 4. So I have 5/6 minus 4/6. So this would be the number I'm using now. It's minus 4/6. 5/6 minus 4/6 is going to be 1/6. Okay, 1/6 to be my answer there. All right, that's pretty much it. Make sure that you're copying down these notes and doing your homework. Good luck.